Alright, real quick before this video starts, I just want to ask you guys a question. So, do you guys express an interest in creating a Minecraft mod? Because if so, then continue watching the video. But if you don't want to know anything about creating mods or anything, feel free to skip the video, but that's only for people that do not want to develop their own mods for Minecraft. So this video is going to be basically going into how to create your own mods, how to do it, step-by-step process on how to do it. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's go ahead and roll the video, shall we? For the ones that want to develop mods for Minecraft, proceed to watch. What the fuck is up, everyone? This your motherfucking saying Chris Bray back into the video. We're back in, bitch. We're about to do yet another Minecraft related video. Now, this is gonna be a little bit different of a type of video. So if you guys saw the intro on here, yes, we are going to be creating a Minecraft mod using MCreator. So yes, we're going to be creating a mod from scratch using a thing called MCreator. Now, if you guys don't know what MCreator is a open software used to make Minecraft Java Edition mods, Minecraft Bedrock Edition add-ons, and data packs using an intrusive, easy to learn interface or with an integrated code editor. It is used worldwide by Minecraft players, aspiring mod developers for education, online classes, and STEM workshops, etc., etc. So yeah, this is the website. So this is mcreator.net. You go to mcreator.net and then you go to download. You go to download here, and then you download this little exe file, and then you hit, or you just go here, you go download, and then you download the exe file, which I already did. I already got it installed on my computer, so you go ahead, download it, and then it will pop up in your downloads, and yeah, so then it's right there, MCreator 2024.2 Windows 64-bit. So then you install that. You install that thing right there, and then you open up MCreator, and it should look just like that. Let me go ahead and close it out and show you guys again. So if I go to MCreator right here, it should pop up just like this, and that's how it should be looking once it's installed. And then we're gonna go to new workspace. We're gonna do a new workspace now. So we're gonna do mod name, mod display name. So we're gonna call this mod, for the video's sake, we're gonna call it yeah, let's see. Okay, let's do my custom mod. Yeah, I'm gonna call it my custom mod. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it my custom mod, and then it's gonna be for NeoForge 1.20.6. Yeah. So yeah, NeoForge is probably going to be more likely the what the compatibility of this thing is going to be. So yeah, we could do a NeoForge or we could do Fabric, but I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna do NeoForge. NeoForge is way better in my opinion. It runs better, and yeah, so we're gonna do NeoForge for this video. You can choose to do whichever one you want. But yeah, so anyway, I think you can also install plugins to do all the rest of this. So there's like Fabric, you got Quilt, you got Spigot, you got Minecraft add-ons and data packs and whatnot. So yeah, it's pretty fun. It's pretty fun to experiment with. But anyway, we're creating a mod though. This is the mod video. I might go back and do other videos on this. I don't know, but it all depends on how you guys like this video. And yeah, so it is what it is. Anyway, create new workspace. Let's do it. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna create a new workspace, and yeah, so okay, let's go ahead and exit out of that. So now what it's basically doing is it is going to be setting up the workspace for us to start working on our first mod. So it's going to take a little bit. It's setting up the Gradle, which is basically the base point of it. It runs on Gradle, I believe that's what it runs on. But yeah, it's a very cool mod creator. I've used it multiple times to make different mods before in the past. I think I had a mod. I actually think I made a mod with it a while back on one of my older channels, I believe. Yeah, I think I did. Let me see. While this is setting up and everything, let's go ahead and browse and see. But yeah, let's go ahead and browse and see. Because yeah, I can go to YouTube. There we go. Let's go to YouTube and let's go ahead and type in my let's type in this channel, Sing Crazy Gaming. This is what it's going to be uploaded to. So yeah, if I go here, and I think I might have all my, yeah, I do. Yeah, I think I made, oh yeah, I did, Emerald Cobblestone. That's what I made. That's what I made. That was the mod that I made. I made that mod 8 years ago. Oh my god, it's got 195 views on it. But yeah, so I messed with MCreator. It's a nice little mod to explore, but yeah, let's see if it's actually up and running yet. Okay, yeah, it takes a little bit. You just gotta have a little bit of patience with it, and yeah, so once you have patience, it should be, yep, okay, yeah, there we go. So yeah, it is downloading all the stuff here, so you'll see it downloading all the stuff over here in the bottom right corner of my screen. But yeah, so we're just gonna have to sit here and wait. It's gonna take a little bit, but once it sets everything up, we should be golden. But yeah, there we go. So now it's configure project. Okay, so now I think it's done downloading everything we need. So yeah, I'm hoping that it's done. It should be at any point in time now. Any point in time now, it should be done. Like I said, it does take a little bit to set up a workstation on this, but once you get it all set up, it works out in the end. But yeah, so we're gonna basically do a simple mod. We're not gonna do something too insane. We're not gonna create like a new dimension. We can make dimensions on here, but I think what I want to do for our first mod on here is I want to create an entity. That's what I want to do. I want to create something we can spawn in with this mod and just go from there, and then maybe add maybe add a couple of items in it. I don't know. But yeah, we just gotta wait for it to download everything that it needs for the workspace on here, and once it does that, then we should be completely done. So yeah, there we go. So it's still downloading. It's got a lot of files to download. I'm telling you guys right now, even if you have good Wi-Fi, it still will download it will still have to download everything that you need for it. And then yeah, so there we go. So yeah, it's still setting everything up. It's still in the process of doing that. But yeah, it takes a bit. It takes a little bit, but it's worth it, like I said. And yeah, so I'm just running you guys how to set it up and how to start creating your own mod. That's basically what this whole video is about. It's about creating your own custom mod, and in this case, we're making a mod on here together, me and you, the viewers, and we're just gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see how it goes. It might turn out terrible. It might not. I don't know. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Like I said, we just gotta wait for the downloads to finish, and once that finishes up, we should be good. Because yeah, it takes a little bit to download everything. But yeah, we should be done within the next probably, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It'll take a while. It'll show up once we're done. It'll show up once we're done. Okay, yeah, it's merging stuff. Rename, I don't even know what that is, but okay. Yeah, it's just showing up with a bunch of stuff on here. So yeah, that's normal. When you first start this thing up, and this is our first time doing any mod creation on NeoForge. So I think after we're done with this, I don't think it has to re-download everything, hopefully. But yeah, this is our first time doing anything on NeoForge for 1.20.6. So yeah, this is literally our first time doing that. But I mean, it's good though. It's good though. It'll set everything up. So there we go. Yeah, as long as you don't touch anything and you don't exit out of the program, you're fine with it. So yeah, yeah, as long as you don't exit out while it's downloading all of its files, it should show up and do what it's supposed to do. But yeah, you just can't interrupt it while it's downloading, or else it does not work. And I know, because I've had that same issue when I first got this too. I was a little bit impatient waiting for all the things to set up, and I literally canceled everything, and it didn't work. But yeah, so you gotta wait for it to completely compile everything and unzip everything and everything else. But yeah, so there we go. All right, so it's still setting up the workspace, setting up Gradle project. Yeah, because like I said, that's what it runs on, and that's what it's trying to set up right now. So yeah, we just gotta wait for it, and then it should be done. In fact, you know what? I'll cut the recording back on when this is done, because this might take a little bit longer. This might take a little bit longer than expected. So yeah, I'll go ahead and cut the recording back on once this is all done, downloading and everything and configuring everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we finally got it all finished. It's finally compiled, and now we can finally get to work on our brand new custom mod. So let's go ahead and press X to add mod elements. So we press X to add mod elements just like this. So we can add armor, we can add biomes, we can add blocks, we can add music discs, we can add loot tables, living entities, and key bindings. So today we are going to add, for our first thing we're going to add, let's add a living entity. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's call this, Cyrus Cyclops. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but okay, yeah, because yeah, I want to make a Cyclops. That's what I want to do. Create new living entity, Cyrus Cyclops. Let's create a new one. Okay, biped. We are gonna do yeah, biped. I believe that's the right model. Texture of entity. So we're gonna go ahead and go to our tab over here, and we're gonna open up a brand new tab. And we're gonna do, okay, we're gonna type in Cyclops, Minecraft skin, and see if we can find a Cyclops Minecraft skin. So, okay, so it looks like we've got one. We got a whole variety of them here. What kind do we want? I kind of like this one, not gonna lie. I'm really vibing with that one. So we're gonna hit download. We're gonna download that, and then we're going to go ahead and add it. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go to our downloads, and then we are gonna hit that, and then there we go. We have the texture of the entity, I believe. And then boom. So there we go. We got the entity right there. The hitbox. Or wait, no, visual. Okay, yeah, these are visuals. Okay, spawn egg. Okay, so we can edit what spawn egg we want this to look like. So, since it's a Cyclops, I want it to be, let's do like an orange and yellow color. So we're gonna do like an orangish, yellowish color. I mean, just to throw it out there. And then entity label, we're gonna call it Cyclops. Okay, we're going to call it Cyclops. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, yeah, biped, and let's see. Okay, so I think that's about it. Okay, and then we're going to put it in spawn eggs. Or should we put it in our own... I mean, I guess we can come back and redo that. Okay, we'll go back and redo that. But yeah, let's go ahead and go to model layers, behavior. Okay, mob, creature type, unidentified. Let's do illager. Additional drop. Okay, so we're gonna make a Cyclops that drops slime blocks. Let's do it. So yeah, slime blocks, let's use it. That's that. So let's go ahead and do that, and then health value and experience amount. So we're gonna do 10, and I'm gonna use 10 as a base point for that. Movement speed, height. Okay, we're gonna keep that at normal, and then check to make this. Okay, we can make it rideable though. Oh, that'd be cool. I guess, yeah, let's make it a rideable. Let's make it a rideable character. Oh my god, this is gonna be crazy. Flying entity. Okay, nope. Equipment. Okay, yeah, we're not gonna put equipment on it. Entity immune to, let's do fire, lightning, arrows. Yeah. No, just fire and lightning. We'll do that. We'll do that. And then sound. Okay, so living sound. Let's find a Cyclops sound that we can add to it. So we're gonna type in Cyclops. Okay, we're gonna actually go to YouTube. We're gonna go to YouTube, and we're gonna find a Cyclops noise because we want the noise to reflect that. So we're gonna do Cyclops noise, cyclops noise. Okay. Yeah, cyclops noise, monster, or no, I'm just gonna type in monster noise. Okay, monster noise. Okay, monster noise. Okay, so we can look at different monster noises and see what. Okay, is this one a good one? I guess that one sounds pretty good, I guess. I mean, hey, it is what it is. So we're gonna go to YouTube. We're gonna go, yeah. We're gonna do it. YouTube. Okay, yeah, there we go. YouTube to MP3 converter. I don't know if that's what we needed to convert it to, but let's see. Living sound. Okay. So if I use, I think I gotta actually import a sound. Yeah. We'll do this later. So yeah, well, let's actually see if it actually works before we actually add any sounds to it. So bind this entity to GUI. Nope. AI and goals, spawning, enable entity spawning, despawn when idle. Okay, I don't know. Okay, I guess yeah, let's go ahead and save mod element. Okay, there we go. Save mod element. There we go. So now we got the cyclops thing. So yeah, we got it basically right here. Let's go ahead and do a test run of it. Let's go ahead and do a test run. I believe there is a way to test run it. Let's see. Okay, so there should be a way to test run it. Import OGG sound. So yeah, it does have to be into an OGG. Okay, so we need to not do MP3. We need to do YouTube to OGG. Okay, YouTube to OGG. Okay, I guess we could do this one. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that one, and let's go ahead and grab that sound file, and then we can add that to our creature. Yeah. I know, ad blocks enabled. I don't care, dude. I'm just trying to fucking download this. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Extract audio, import A. We're gonna do OGG. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So yeah, we need to have the OGG file because it will only work with OGG files. I forgot to tell you guys that. So yeah, if you're gonna make an entity on here, you're going to need to add OGG files to it. So it has to be OGG files or else it will not work at all. And I guess we can use that. So we can use that one as another one of the entities things. So there we go. But yeah, we're just trying to make a standard cyclops. That's all we're trying to do right now. We're trying to make a standard cyclops. This is the way we do it, and we're going to test this out to see it and see if it works. So yeah, let's go ahead and change that to OGG, and there we go. I think I got rid of that. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we can just go ahead and pull this up. Let's go ahead and import OGG sounds. I think that's what it is. Yeah, import OGG sounds. Okay, we're gonna call this cyclops growl. Yeah, we're gonna do cyclops growl. Okay, sound files. Let's go ahead and do the growling monster as that, and then we're gonna do that as neutral. We're gonna call it cyclops growl. Okay, there we go. Add sound. There we go. And then we add another one. So we're gonna add another one. We're gonna call this cyclops roar. So yeah, cyclops roar. I don't know if that's how you spell it, but I'm just kind of just going through this because, like I said, I just want to get through this. And so yeah, cyclops roar. Okay, there we go. So add sound. There we go. Now we go in here and we open and edit it. And then now we go to sound. Okay, living sound. Let's do cyclops growl. So we're gonna use that as a living sound. And then the step sound we're gonna do as the roar. So yeah, there we go. Yeah. There we go. So yeah, nice. Okay, so there we go. Okay, save mod element, and then let's go ahead and let's start this up. Let's see how it works. Okay, run client. So you go here and you run the client. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the client, and then I'll switch my OBS over because I want to switch it because right now I'm just using the screen recorder. I want to actually put this in the actual in the actual testing console of the thing, so you guys can actually see me testing out the mod. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over my OBS. This won't take too long, so I'll see you guys when I'm inside of the actual game itself. So yeah, in the testing environment. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. This won't take too long. Alright, so we finally just launched up the client for the test environment for our mod that we just created. So we're gonna go ahead and go to single player. And for this purpose, we're going to go to creative mode, and we're going to have a super flat world, so that way we can test it on. So we're going to call this mod test 101. There we go. And we're going to do creative mode, obviously. So there we go. And then we're going to go like that, create new world, and let's see if our brand new thing spawns in. So yes, we don't have our skin on, obviously, because this is just a testing environment, just to see how this works. So yeah, we're going to go here, and we have our mob right here. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. It's a cyclops, dude. Let's see what it drops. Let's see if it drops the actual slime blocks. Let's see if it does. Oh, it does. Nice. So yeah, there we go, dude. That's it, dude. We fucking added an entity. So yeah, there we go. So now let's go ahead and go back into the mod itself, and let's add some more stuff. Let's add some more stuff to it, shall we? This is gonna be insane. This is gonna be insane. But yeah, let's cut right back to the MCreator thing. So I'll see you guys when I'm back on there. Alright, so I went ahead and exited out of the client. So yeah, here we are back on the MCreator thing. And so let's go ahead and see what else we can make. So we can make armor, we can make music discs, we can make paintings, we can make plants, we can fucking make a new recipe for something. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. You got all these different tools at your disposal, and yeah. And we can even make a new enchantment too, which might be a little bit more harder to do, but we can also make a new dimension too. So yeah, but we're gonna create a new creative tab. Let's go ahead and call this we're gonna call it my custom mod. There we go. Create new creative tab. There we go. And then let's do the tab icon. Let's do, what can we add for the icon? Yeah, let's add that. Let's use a redstone lamp for that. So yeah, just kind of a custom mod. So there we go. Save mod element. No, we don't need a search bar for that. So yeah, there we go. So now we got that, and then we can basically go in here now. We can open it, edit this, and now we can, instead of putting it in spawn eggs, we can go ahead and move it to my custom mod thing. So there we go. And actually, we can go ahead and remove that. Now it's going to show up underneath my custom mod tab. So there we go, save mod element, and let's see if it actually works. I'm going to do a test run on this. Let's go ahead and see if it actually works. I'll be right back. This won't take very long. Alright, so we're back on here yet again. Let's go ahead and load up our world and see if it works now. So let's see. Okay, so if I go to my custom mod, it shows up right there. So now it's in that tab instead of in the spawn eggs tab. So that's cool. Yes, get owned. Little peon. But yeah, so anyway, so yeah, we basically got a new entity on here, and yeah, so that's how you create it. That's how you create a brand new tab for your mod. So everything that you want to put in your mod, you got to make sure you put it underneath this tab. So yeah, and let's go ahead and let's take this a step further, and let's add some more stuff in, shall we? But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how to make your own creative tab in the creative tab menu, so that way you can have all your items that you create for your mod all in one place. Honestly, it just helps organizing everything. So organization purposes, but it is what it is. But yeah, let's go back into the actual mod creator itself, and let's see what else we can add in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what else we can add in. Okay, so we can add in a new biome, we can add in a new key binding. Let's add in a music disc. Let's call it oh, I know exactly what I want to add into the game. Ooh, that might be sick. Okay, let's do it. Eminem, Slim Shady. Yeah, let's call it Yeah, let's call it. Let's add it. Let's see if we can add in an Eminem song to this. That would be cool, wouldn't it? As a music disc. Let's call it Eminem Jam. I'm just gonna call it Eminem Jam. There we go. So create new music disc. This texture. Let's go ahead and see what we can add for the texture of it. Let's see. Okay, create texture from scratch. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do it like an. Let's see. Yeah, we gotta make it kind of like a music disc, kind of like this. So let's go ahead and select that. We probably should create a new texture from scratch. Let's go ahead and do that. Create. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's create a new texture. Let's see, generate from template. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna do. Yeah. Okay, randomize. Okay, not that. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's just randomize it until we find something cool. So, yeah, what would look cool for a music disc? I seriously don't know. I've never randomized it before on here. So, let's see. No, that might be pretty cool. But I don't know. It doesn't scream music disc. If I'm thinking of a music disc, I'm thinking of something round. So, I don't know. I don't know, dude. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I'm just randomizing it to see what I can find. That'd be a suitable texture for the disc. Maybe like a broken one. Okay, I don't know, dude. There's so many to choose from. That might be pretty cool. Okay, let's create a merge. There we go. Okay, and let's go ahead and generate another one from a template. Okay, we're gonna randomize this until we find another one to add to on top of it. So, I guess let's create that. Create a merge. I mean, that could work as a music disc. I mean, I don't know. That might not be good. That might not be good, but I mean, hey, it is what it is, dude. It is what it is. I'm just gonna create it just like this. So yeah, that's the thing about MCreator, is there's no wrong or right way to do something, as long as you know what you're doing in the actual program. So yeah, I'm gonna create it like this. It kind of looks like an olive with an eye on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it. Save as new texture. So we're gonna call this M music disc, and this is gonna be an item. So save this texture. There we go. So yeah, that's gonna be the item for the Eminem Jam thing. So we're gonna go ahead and go to Eminem Jam. We're gonna go to here, and we're going to find our custom texture. So import item. Okay, so we're gonna do it like that one. So there we go. We got that. Sound to play. Okay, so music needs to be mono to properly work. So meaning we gotta go to YouTube and we gotta type in what M song do we want to play on here. So Eminem. Oh, I know exactly which one I want to do. Oh yeah. I know exactly which one I want to do. Let's do Head Honcho, dude. Let's do Head Honcho. Let's add that to the OGG and see if we can actually put it into an OGG file. I believe we can, though. I'm pretty sure. So we can go ahead and do this and put it into an OGG file, and then hopefully it plays on a jukebox in Minecraft. So we're gonna add it to an OGG file, and hopefully that works. I don't know if it might not work. I don't know. But let's see if it does. Let's see if it actually does. Okay. Experiencing, please try again. Okay. Resubmit URL. It didn't fucking work. What the hell? Yeah. Okay, let's try yeah. OGG file. Let's see if we can do that. It might not let us go to an OGG file. I don't know. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure it has to be an OGG file. Does it have to be an OGG file? Let's see. Music to play, sound to play. Okay, so I think it does. I'm pretty sure it does. So I don't know why this is not working. Okay, maybe I just need to try another URL. So we're gonna try the lyric URL. I mean, fuck it. It's literally the same thing. So let's go ahead and add that to the thing. So there we go. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works this time. So let's go to OGG. Let's add that to the OGG file and see if it actually works. Hopefully it does. No, it does not want to fucking work. Okay, we'll just try another one then. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We'll try another one. We'll try another one. We'll try another one. So we'll just do YouTube to OGG and we'll find this one. So we'll do this one. We'll do this one and see if it works. Okay, that's literally the same thing, but I mean, it might be different. I don't know how different, but let's go ahead and do an OGG file. All right, come on, let's do it. All right. Why is it not wanting to download, dude? Like, what the fuck? Okay. Resubmit. Can I add MP3 files, though? I don't think I can. I don't think I can. I guess we're gonna have to do it MP3. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but okay. I don't know if that's actually going to work or not. But yeah, let's go ahead and download it. See if it works. If it doesn't work, fucking so be it. Alright, let's go ahead and add in import OGG sounds. No. It does have to be an OGG file. I don't know how to fucking... Oh, I need to extract it to a fucking OGG file, dude. And this thing is not fucking trying to work. Maybe I can use this one instead. Okay, let's see. Let's see if it actually works. Oh my god. Why is this thing not fucking working, dude? I seriously don't know why. It's kind of pissing me off a little bit. Okay, yeah. This one's not gonna work. It's gonna sit there for fucking 50 years. Okay, we're gonna go to another one. Yeah, if one doesn't work, go to the next one. There we go. And there we go. Get the file. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. If this might not work. This might not work, dude. But I mean, if it does, that'd be great. But yeah, let's see if it actually works. Because I want to see if I can actually put a song into Minecraft using the music disc format. That'd be cool. I just want to see if it works. I've never done it before, and I just want to see if it works. That's all I'm trying to do. And this thing is not wanting to fucking... It's processing. Okay, I guess we just gotta sit here and wait until it fucking either fails or works. I don't know. It's a fucking toss-up with this thing, isn't it? Yeah, I'm trying my best though. Alright, so we just gotta sit here and wait for the fucking file. This is taking forever, dude. This is taking forever. I'm about over it, dude. I'm about over it. It's literally starting to piss me off that we can't put it into an OGG file. Unless... yeah, I don't think I have any. I don't think I have any thing to switch it to an OGG file. So I don't know. Maybe I can find a software for that. Yeah, let's just find a fucking let's find another one. Let's find another one. Free YouTube. Okay, maybe we can use this one. Let's try this one. We haven't tried this one yet, so let's see. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go to OGG. And we're gonna do download OGG right there. I think, right? Yeah. So OGG right there. Okay, download OGG. Okay, there it is. Finally, it's fucking downloading. It's taking forever like a snail though, but okay. Download now. There we go. Okay, so we finally got it. Okay, good. One site out of all the other ones fucking worked. Can't believe it. Okay, it is what it is. Okay, now we're gonna export. We're gonna call this Eminem track music play and sound file. We're gonna add in head honcho. We're gonna add that in. as the thing, and then we're gonna add it in as a music. Okay, or record. I think it might be record. Okay, and then let's go ahead and do track music play. Okay, add sound. There we go. Okay, so now we can add that, and then let's add the sound to play. Track music play. Okay, there we go. So custom, got that. Okay, music description, M's song, I guess. Music length and ticks, I don't know. Creative tabs. Let's go ahead and add it to my custom mod tab, and then I don't think it has a no, it does not have a glowing effect. Okay, so I think we pretty well got it saved. Okay, let's save mod element, and let's go ahead and exit out of here because we already saved that. Now let's see if it actually plays in game. Let's see if it does. Let's see if all that trouble that we went through actually works on here. Let's see. All right, moment of truth, everybody. Let's see if it actually works, dude. Let's see if it actually will allow us to play this in a jukebox. Let's see. So we're gonna grab a jukebox. Okay, jukebox. Hopefully this doesn't crash the game, but it might. So let's see. Okay, let's go to jukebox. Let's do Eminem Jam.
Doing my best just to not blow my cover. No, it's all just a test, but I can't pass up this.
It actually worked for a second, though. That's pretty cool.
Doing my best just to not blow my cover. No, it's all just a test, but I can't pass up this.
I think it has something to do with the ticks, though, but still, that's pretty cool that we were able to add in a Eminem song to Minecraft using a mod in a music disc form, dude. That's insane. I didn't know if we could actually do that, but that's actually pretty insane. But yeah, let's go ahead. Let's go back to MCreator and let's see what else we can add to this. All right, so we're back on MCreator. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff we can add here. I can literally be here for days on days up on end, just adding in new stuff on here. But I mean, it is what it is, though. You guys get the gist of it. Basically, it's your own personal mod creator that you can load up at any point in time, and you can add stuff into the game via a mod. And also, if you guys want to export this mod, I guess I can show you guys how to do that. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to add any more to this mod because we've already added in enough for today. But I did show you guys the basics and the majority of what you got to do to get started in this. So yeah, you guys can figure out the rest of it on your own. But yeah, so if we want to export this to a file, so we're going to go to file, we're going to do export, I believe. I think there's a way to export it. Let's see, debug client, run server and client, export the mod for distribution. So you go like this, you export it, and then export the mod without donating. Yeah, let's do that. And then basically you can export this to your own mod file right here, and then you can load it in on your client. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to save it like this, and then that's about it. So yeah, and then it will export it for you, and then that's basically it. So yeah, I think it's pretty well explanatory. It's pretty well self-explanatory. So yeah, that's how you save your mods in this, for those that want to know how to save them. And then all you got to do is locate it in your downloads folder, which I think I have still up. Let me go ahead and go to my downloads folder. So yeah, if I go to my downloads folder, as you guys can see, it's literally right there. So yeah, that's pretty simple process, and then you can add it to your own client. You have to have Neoforge though for that. So yeah, depending on whichever mod loader that you want to add for this. So yeah, it all depends on what you want for it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like down below, and also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Let's try to get to that 300 subscribers by the end of September. I know we could always gotta keep it as like a band doing on here. And yeah. If you guys want to see me go into any more of the MCreator stuff and just kind of go through some more stuff on here, please let me know down in the comments, and I might do another video on this. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty freaking cool, dude. This MCreator mod creator thing is awesome, dude. It's literally one of the best mod creators out there. It's very easy, it's very simple to learn, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out, everybody.